The Weave Buddy system is a revolutionary breakthrough used for safely applying and maintaining beautiful, healthy hair without any stress or pain on the scalp. Work smarter, not harder. With the Weave Buddy system, you can fill in your client's balding and thinning edges safely and easily. The Weave Buddy system is going to save you time and make you lots of money. You will be inundated with new clients who want safe and lasting scalp protection along with their sensational hairstyles. For more information about our workshops, visit us online at theweavebuddy.com. Join us for our next Weave Buddy Specialist Workshop at the Triple B Expo in Maryland. We hope to see you there. Thank you. May God bless and prosper you.